Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for 5th of June 2025. Starting with the Forex factories, see what's happening in the market. And we have impact news at 1:30 p.m. Unemployment claim. That's the USD heavy impact news. That's what normally we're interested in because we trade only on the USD gold. Okay. And all these times are UK times, right? Going on to the chart. Weekly chart. Let's start with weekly chart. Weekly, as we said previously, this weekly candle is bullish, and I was expecting the market to come to these levels, and market almost come to that level with few pips, maybe 30 pips or so, as I previously discussed. And today, we're going into 4 hours. I did mention that once this level has been tested, the structure level, and as you can see this in 1 hour, this is a situation in 1 hour. And previously this level was tested, and now this level has been tested. So, and this previously we know that this order block has been tested by this candle. Now I would expect personally to break this level and come up to here onwards and then to this level here. So up to here, and then here, but it's not going to happen straight away. So what we are looking, I'm still looking the market to come to this level and either fill this gap or even have a rejection from here, the break of structure. If I go in 1 hour chart, you will see more clearly. Sorry. So this is a break of structure. And then we have order block here. So we expect market to bounce from here even and from here to the upside. So these are the two opportunities. However, in smaller time frame, we had a sell. I hope you took sell from here because this is a level here, and I'm just updating on my live stream as well. There was an order block here, and there's a sell here. Right. So market is coming sharply to the downside. So as I said, this is a break of structure, and then we have order block here in 1 hour. So a good trade with the evidence will be from here and or from here, buy trade. So currently we're on sell. So this is what the situation is at the moment. And go overall gold is bullish, as you know. We have been discussing almost every single day. So making higher highs in all the time frames. And weekly, we, as discussed, this level, this candle 3360 level has been broken already. So the next target this week should be at least to this level, 3433. Okay. So I hope this is helpful, and thank you very much. And if you want me to make more videos, please do comment and subscribe to the channel. And if there are any mistakes, please do comment as well so I can improve my content. Thank you very much. Bye bye.